There are really good news for those who are looking to come to Canada under Canada's Caregiver program. 1st January 2022, with this new year, Canada has started accepting applications under Home Child Care Provider Pilot. Caregivers are really high in demand occupation in Canada. There are huge shortfall. There are huge labor shortage in this category. And to overcome these difficulties, Government of Canada has launched pilot program, caregiver pilot program in 2019. That pilot program will run until 2024. This is the easiest immigration program. In this program, you just need job offer and rest all the requirement are easy to meet. Today we are talking completely about how this processing work, what are the eligibility criteria and what its requirement. Now under this caregiver pilot program, there are two categories. First, home child care provider pilot and second is home support worker pilot. In each category, there will be 2,750 applications will be accepted each year. The basic difference in both the streams are in home child care provider pilot, the care will be given to the children below 18 years of age. So it is for NOC 4411. And second, home support worker pilot, where support and care will be provided to elderly people for NOC code 4412. Let me tell you one important requirement of this program. You do not require job offer if you are in Canada and you have 24 months of experience in those occupations within Canada. In this case, you don't require any job offer. You can submit your application for PR and you will get approval within next 12 months. Now, important thing is that if you don't have any experience in Canada, you require job offer, but that job offer don't require any LMI support. So if you are meeting all the requirement, then it's really easy for you to find a job offer and submit your PR application as well as work permit application. So let's see the requirement. Now, when it's come to program requirement, your eligibility criteria are very simple. First, you need job offer. Now we have discussed about the job offer. Besides job offer, you also required your post-secondary education. If you have post-secondary education in Canada, then that will work as it is. But if you don't have any post-secondary education in Canada and you have done your education outside of Canada, then you require ECA report. Along with job offer and ECA report, you should meet at least 5 CLB English proficiency in your language test. Now those are very easy criteria. Getting CLB 5 and have your ECA report for post-secondary education is really important and really easy for people who are qualified. Now, besides that, you also have to demonstrate that you are eligible to work. You are meeting the criteria of job being offered. So you are going to work as a caregiver. You have to demonstrate that you are eligible to take care of that elderly person or you are eligible to take care of the children. So that one you have to provide them documented that you are eligible to provide those documents, and that will demonstrate that you can take care of the children or you can take care of the elderly people. Now let's talk about the processing. There are 3 main criteria under this program. The first one, if you already have 24 months of experience in last 36 months within Canada as a caregiver. If you meet this criteria, you directly apply for your permanent residency and you can apply for open work permit. Now in second scenario, if you are already working in Canada but haven't completed your 24 months of experience in those occupations, you can still submit your application for permanent residency. But along with that, you submit occupation restricted open work permit application. Okay, whenever you complete your 24 month, then you have to contact immigration and submit all the documentation that shows that you have completed your 24 month, and then they will start processing your PR applications. And in third scenario, this is mostly for you. In third scenario, if you receive job offer from Canadian employer and you are meeting eligibility criteria for this program, then you can submit your application for permanent residency along with occupation restricted open work permit. You can also submit your spouse open work permit and you can also submit your kids study permit along with. Now, once you submit those documents, immigration officer, visa officer will do assessment, and if they think you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then they will issue work permit and study permit for you and your family. Then you come to Canada, you start working in your occupation, you complete your 24 months, And once you complete 24 months, you have to submit all those evidence, all those documents that you have completed 24 months in this occupation. And once you submit that, then your PR application will process further. Now, besides this, IRCC will also check genuineness of job offer and employer's financial ability. If you are meeting this all program criteria and if you are getting the job offer, then this is the best and easy program for you. You can come to Canada along with your family and settle here. On this channel, I will provide you information about different immigration program and immigration news and update. If you have any question, you please mention in the comment box and I will be happy to help you. My name is Santosh. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My office here in Calgary. If you are aspiring to come to Canada, then this is the right channel for you. I hope you like this session and have a nice day.